Hey, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your first $10,000 using free, not paid, Facebook marketing. So stay tuned. Hey, and welcome back. My name is Nate, and if you're looking to make a passive income online or other topics related to making money online, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that every time I drop a new video, you'll be notified immediately. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to free Facebook marketing is that you have to post often, okay? So this is going to be something on either your personal or your fan page. So the important thing is you want to post often. Now, there isn't a key metric to how often you should post. What I usually say is to be consistent. So if it's going to be 5 days a week and you want to be consistent about it, post 5 days a week. If it's 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then do that. If it's twice a week, where it's maybe Tuesday and Thursday, then do that. What the key here, you want to post quality content. It's not about the quantity. Always focus on the quality, not the quantity. So going back to my example, if you can post quality content 5 times a week, more power to you. So that's what you want to do, is you want to post often. And the one thing is, when you post often, is that you want to have a call to action. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So I'm in front of one of these posts that I did, and if you can see right here is that I posted this, and here is a call to action. So a call to action, basically what that is, it basically tells the person that's looking at your post what you want them to do next. So do you want them to subscribe to a list? Do you want them to check out a video? Just basically tell them, hey, do you want to have them send you a private message? So that is what a call to action is. So this is what that looks like when it comes to a quality post, because when people are familiar with your branding, they will be more receptive to listening to what you have to say. And then right here is the call to action. So going back on the call to action, and when you have a call to action, that will lead them to a link for them to click on. Okay, now one thing too here is that if you're going to be using Facebook, you might want to tease them on Facebook, telling them to check out a video on YouTube. And what's great about YouTube is that you can allow YouTube to do most of the heavy lifting for you, meaning that it can explain what it is that you're offering. So, and also in the YouTube description, you can also leave a link for your visitor, which is a call to action. So that's one of the first things that you have to do to keep in mind is when you're posting on Facebook, is that you want to post quality content. And if you want to get more business and more sales and more leads, this is the way for them to follow what you want them to do, because people gravitate towards people who are leaders and people who are authentic and that have an authority. And the next thing that you want to do is to reciprocate on other people's Facebook posts. So if you see someone that you are friends with, and let's just say they're in the same industry or the same niche as you, you definitely want to give them support by liking the post and also commenting on their post too, because when you start to post on their content, that other people will see you too, and then they will follow you. And why you want to do that is because you want to collaborate with other people. So let's just say, you have someone that's on your Facebook page that likes and comments. You definitely want to get that back to the person that did that for you. And then in turn, whatever content that they provide on their Facebook profile, you definitely want to add value to the post when you respond. So whatever the comment is, whatever the niche is, you definitely want to add to it to add value, because other people who see that, they'll be more than likely to add you as a friend or like your fan page or follow you on social media. The next thing here too is that you want to show social proof. And what social proof means is basically a result that you got as a result of a product or service that you're using. So whatever the product or service you're using, let's just say you're in the health and wellness niche and you took a product that helped you lose 5 pounds in a month, you want to post a before and an after picture. That way you show that this product really works, because the reason why most people are skeptical, people think that maybe it doesn't work, or maybe they had a bad experience and maybe whatever they tried to do doesn't work for them. This way, when they're connected with you, they follow you, they know that and that you are authentic with your messaging, they'll be more than likely to listen to you when it comes to sharing your results. So when you share your result, that way you can grab people to take action and basically learn more about your product or service. And the fourth thing is, I want to kind of touch on this again, is liking and commenting on other people's posts. And this is very important because you just don't want to do it for one person. You want to do as many as you can. Support the people who are supporting you, and that is the way it goes. So that way you get more traction, you get more attention, and people will follow you. Now, the next thing here is, now that you have your call to action, now that you have people liking and commenting your post, so the next thing you want to do on this list is you want to create a capture page. You can use ClickFunnels to create a capture page, so that way you can collect people's information. Because when I was sharing earlier that when you have a call to action, you want them to take action on what it is that you're offering. So the next thing here is opt-in, and this is the capture page. So let's just say right here, the call to action, which leads them to a link. And then from the link, leads them to a capture page, which will ask for a name and email of that person. So CP standing for capture page. And what you want to do here is, on the other side, you'll have what they call a bridge page. We'll call this BP. And all a bridge page is designed to do is to link from you to your product or service. So let's just say you are in affiliate marketing and you don't have your own product and you're going to be leveraging other people's products. So a bridge page is nothing more than a thank you page, basically thanking the subscriber for subscribing to your list. And then that way you get to introduce yourself, warm up the conversation, and then that way you'll have another button here that will say something like get access now, and then that will lead them to a sales page. And a sales page is designed to sell on your behalf. So going back on the health and wellness, where if there's a weight loss product, this could be the sales page that will get your visitor to buy your product or service. So on a sales page, you also have a checkout page. And in that way, with the checkout page, you'll then make a sale from that. So to recap everything, this is really all you have to do when it comes to making money on Facebook for free without having to spend any money on advertising. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot of value. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, or if you have any questions, leave them below this video. I appreciate you watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification. This is Nate Leung signing out, and I will see you on the next video.